Hello, hello. If you want to see how I got this look using the Blueberry Muffin Palette from BH Cosmetics, keep on watching. I had a lot of fun with this palette. This is one of the ones I won from BH Cosmetics, and Third Love I did get win a giveaway from them, so that was really cool. And this is a very nice palette. I really like the colors in it. Nice, I think, cool color story. I do like cool colors. So yes, let's get right on into that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video of me doing this eye look. Very simple, actually. I really like the way this type of eyeshadow looks on my eyes. I don't know how to say it. I can't speak. This is very similar to what Brianna Faye does. This is very similar to what Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner does. I really think that this sort of look looks very flattering on my eyes. If you're wondering about the little black ends, I mean, I have such hooded eyes and they're deep set and downturned, so I have to do that little graphic look, but I've been experimenting with simply just doing little points on the sides of my eyes so that it doesn't look so weird when I like fully open my eyes. I don't know, I've never seen anyone else do this before, so if you try it out, let me know what it looks like if you got super duper hooded eyes like I do, because like I said, when my eyes are open, I'm looking in a mirror. Yeah, you can't even tell when my eyes are open that it's not actually connected. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm a daily uploader. I do upload about makeup mostly, but I also love wrestling. And Rocky Horror is coming back soon. Cross your fingers for me. And I will talk to you later. Bye.